Hello YouTube, and today I'm here painting obviously, but as you can see there's two canvases. I'm here with my girlfriend Erin, who's filming right now. Anyway, so the first thing that we're gonna have to do is mix all these paint thinners. I've already started. Me. Definitely me.
I did that.
Erin, what'd you say?
I did that.
Okay, now.
The proof is in the hands.
No, keep. Alright, I've never done this kind of trick before. And we're back, and as you can see, we put the paint in the cups. First of all, yeah, Erin, show them how satisfying it is. Didn't show it. But we gotta open this. Now, I've never done this before, but I think I'm gonna karate chop it open, okay? Oh my gosh, Erin!
Oh my gosh, it worked!
Just for that, y'all gotta like and subscribe to the video. Meow, meow, meow. And don't forget to click the notification bell to be a savage. Oh my gosh. Anyway, let's start painting. What do we do first?
I gotta cover the canvases with white paint so that it can be runny.
Step 2, what you want to do is you want to take, Erin, so you take the colors you want,
yeah,
and you just pour them in to your cup. Okay.
Don't shake your cup around so much.
This is what it looks like.
This is what mine looks like.
Oh my gosh. Ethan, come here. Take a minute to appreciate how satisfying Erin's looks.
Oh yeah.
Alright, just look at it.
I got those layers going
Last
on.
one. It's a perfect rainbow. And then look at mine. It's a pretty ugly mess.
Ew. Okay,
Step
guys.
3.
The final step. You gotta take the canvas and then put it on the top of the cup like this.
Oh my god, this is gonna be wild, man.
And then you gotta flip it.
Okay?
And then pick it up. And it's just gonna spread.
And then you put it like this, right?
Yeah. Oh god.
Then you go like that.
Yeah.
While I'm doing this, Erin, show off how beautiful your cup is.
Oh yeah, my cups turned out better than my art. Like this part is my favorite, but like you also got the reds and the yellows. Oh my gosh, it like makes a rainbow all the way around. Okay, so we have Robert here doing the finishing touches on his beautiful work of art. And what you have to do from this is kind of like pull from the edges of where the paint finished. And then just...
It's like not working.
Cover
It's
up
like
the white spot.
the purple yours.
Yeah. Okay, so this is Robert's basically finished. He's just finishing up the corners over there. This is how his turned out. And this is mine.
Okay, it's all done.
So yeah, there you have it.
Alrighty, I'm gonna cut to tomorrow when it'll be just me, sadly, but they're finally dry. So goodbye for now. Hello YouTube. It's been a couple hours and these are how the paintings are looking now. As you can see, it sort of did this weird like cracking thing. And it kind of did it in Erin's too. I think it makes it look kind of cool. This will be the final update on the painting, so just go ahead. This one is mine, and this one is Erin's, so just comment down below which one do you think is better. And, like the video, please.